Coming up.
Mackerel them. I can mackerel them out. I'm good there. I'm over there.
Let's begin.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Adventurous Living. Alright people? Yeah man, we're out here guys, but we are gonna see right now. Let me just tell you all something real quick. So today the 9th of October. Yeah, October winner people. It's the 9th of October and we're about 8 hours away from Hurricane Milton. I think I can hear 5 feet Florida. But clearly guys, we can see a bit of weather here ourselves. So I'm gonna show y'all. As you can see guys, a bit of weather I just ourselves right now because the wind's about 20 knots right now blowing. You can see rain over there. Rain over there. So you expected to hit Florida about 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. tonight. So hopefully guys we don't get too much of that weather, alright? So since weather come people know so if we try to get some food. You see guys? No joke. So with the pound where guys I got to see right now. So hopefully we can find some fish and come back home from early fencing people. You see me if you want to get too much or too threatening, alright? So just stay tuned guys with the pound where I gotta see as I say. Bless up on yourself and thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being here with us right now. We really appreciate support. 100%. Yeah man, so get y'all to reach at the location guys, go on try the evenings, alright? Yeah man. Oh. Alright guys, so reach a place so on try the evenings in the people, you see me? Yeah man, so only thing I can know guys, I get the light salted out. So I push this and pull out the rope for the poling. Yeah man, because I have enough rope guys because we have a light right the poling the people, you see me? So it's the light here, as you can see. Light on, light off, light on. Light off. Listen people, this is gonna plug right here. So light on. Put you guys on my head real quick. No, we're ready. Do this. Light. Ready. Ready and ready, yeah. I got remote there. Alright, so now I'll pull the people so that do it like this. Left. The next time that's perfect. You start now? Yeah? You start now. Yeah? Be a bush. Be a bush. Where you go there? Yeah, see yes or no? Stone there. Twist. Oh yeah, put the pan shallow water before people, so we have to pull out this now. We come upon some deeper waters now. So the previous time I come and see guys, we were way shallower waters. That's you only need that much rope. That's out now. But now you need all the length that this poling has to offer. I guess the cushion was the boat same time in the people. And off you go. Just like that. Alright people, so since it's there now, so we don't go even sturdy. And I was I'm sure the anchor say, but I'm sure shut out. But we throw the anchor people and they serve and we go back till the sun go down as normally, so they serve it. Not gone down quite yet no people, but you can't say gone behind the clouds. Look at that part of the cloud right there. That's where it is. Right there. You know, fully submerged people, but it's on its way. Getting there little by little. If you look over there, so you can see the poling. And then if you look above that, you can see a bit of rain fall in those thick clouds right there. And I believe tonight is supposed to moon, you know, people. The moon's supposed to change tonight, so that's like that's the next thing too. Oh, one more thing. Put the line aboard, guys. Buy a new line. The last time I was on live, I showcased the line here. But so far, I'm making a fish fight people, isn't it? But with this, I'm going to wait when I give up hope. And I lose faith, you know. So, still have faith tonight, people. Maybe I can get you one fish by time to take up the net. Maybe not. Maybe tonight, we don't know. We'll just wait and see. Okay? But in the meantime, guys, I got the year. I'm going to wait on the sun fully submerged and get about 10 to 15 minutes to start to take up net. So, stay tuned for the net, start to take up people. And for a treat. I promise you that, alright? I believe this one will disappoint the time, people. So, stay tuned. Watch your go on. Please up yourself, people. Until then. Guess I'm buy pan. Eh? I just back down pan. Guys, I put him back down. See if we can catch a fish off of him now. It's like a... I don't know what I'm looking for. It's like a food chain, people. I work with you all the way home. Use a small piece of bait and catch him. No, I use him as bait to catch a bigger fish. Food chain. Let's see the first white here. So about 5 minutes into the pulling up at the net. There's a small mackerel. I'm alive to see the people. You only multiply if you want to bite me. But guess what? There is no biting around here when I push to that.
No, that. No.
Make sure you hold him in the boy. Make sure you hold him. Oh, so I see him now? Hey, where are the youth? Calm down here. He's inside Hogfish, guys.
Yeah, man,
Nice good size Hogfish, people. Cushion one thing get look like I beat him with a stick, you know. I beat him till he's soft. Stone. The stone grunts, one fish there. Hogfish. Next one there. Pink parrot. Next one over there. So Kush, what kind of lady you want?
So, shoot, you people talk about, you have to have a type man, you have a type, you want and this and that. But I don't discriminate body figure.
So,
like I prefer them on the thicker side still.
So like plus size man.
Not really plus size man, not too thick, not too slim. Just a little Coca-Cola shape, you understand?
No, particularly a bit slim.
So, bam.
Then,
And she has no sense of humor and she can't lazy.
sense of humor?
Yeah, and she can't lazy.
Can't lazy?
Most things, all of them can talk to it, you know?
Oh, so you like a person who can communicate?
Yeah, basically, you can communicate that a Coca-Cola shape body. Yeah, I'm not lazy.
What about complexion?
No complexion.
No complexion?
You could have a pink, black or brown.
You have any race? Race?
Race?
Yeah.
I put you African, Haiti or Spaniard.
Jump, pull the coil. So, there you go guys. Push don't discriminate about any woman. As long as any woman have a...
We love ladies.
Once you're a woman, not a transmission.
I want to school and there, you know?
And you got to be over the age of 16 to push.
No. 18 or
18 or older? You think 18 too young for you, Cushion? Soon 30.
Put them 40.
Cushion soon 30, why do 18 year old?
Put them 40 years old.
Just jokes, guys.
No more. What I mean?
Two more than fish. I want to fish one. Look like pink parrot them. Yeah, so hogfish ain't hogfish a pink parrot and hogfish man. Look at two of them. But you talk about man?
No, that's me. Before they make one people on kasi.
Right, one people on kasi. Two more there back you know. Some butterfish. Small fish parrot. Fingers crossed. The next mackerel.
Only if it just company on your mackerel. Are they making mackerel?
Mackerel? Oh no. I really don't know. That is called a Spanish mackerel. Kush, I wonder if I them actually come here, it's thin. Kush, you know some of the dog sing say yo. Where you go? I'm telling you, hold on. I phone is there, isn't it? My nigga named Eddie G. Bama. Eddie G. Bama.
Eddie?
G. Bama, yeah.
Big. Right on.
Eddie G. Bama. You see me dog say yo? What dog say yo? Dog say, junk upon shirt, monkey and rabbit. Rich like on chunky jack mackerel.
Venom sing.
I know that. That's out of it. You man.
Are you not attesting about it?
Yeah.
Look what you that. Sorry guys, no, sorry I say that, but everything they sing, young girl and gravitate to it and
I'm petting. No, I cut out that. Cut out that. So,
decent girl now.
Guys, basically in the first part of the song, the artist was saying he wants to give the female a golden shower. If y'all don't know what that is, just Google golden shower real quick for me, and you will know exactly what it is. All right?
Yeah. We don't depend on that. The thing come from Jamaica.
We don't support that.
Yeah, we don't work.
And then he follow up. Thing was saying he wants to hawk up a coal.
Yeah.
Yo guys, Jamaica is on a different level there now.
I don't know, say I don't listen to songs, but you know, on TikTok you see clips and them things there.
No, they have colour. Goldfish? A long time I saw them then. Original one? Yup. They have queen mullet here. is a beaver guard you there. Another mackerel. I'm a miss. Come mackerel again. Let's see a few of the mackerels then, guys. Spanish mackerel, or some people call them zero mackerel. But here in Jamaica, it's just mackerel. Or if they're big enough, like 10 pounds or so, them call them kingfish. When the mackerel them out, some boy for know say the mackerel them they run joke. When them say the net, no sir, them get wild like them take coke. Stuck in the net make me and push smile. That is it. One more mackerel on them. Ik came out. A little bit like I find a bit of sign of fish people. I really hope so. Eh? Eh. See if we can find better sign of fish down here people. Oh, look at that. Start off with 4 fish run place, a jack, a grunt and...
That's one bubble as well.
You see a bubble? Mackerel them out. Push get one, me get one. One next one over there. Or 2 more. No more? Would say. You see me? I like slim girl with hips and ass.
Yeah, we are.
They go build the one there.
Go for a bone chop and and then say, come on, the color go for a paint.
No, I don't mind color.
Go for a
don't mind.
Give me a white, black, pink, or pink.
I don't mind skin tone people. You see me?
We talk to any girl, but if you think that's a boy.
I like some the best one time so you can hear a sound, you see me?
I told you that.
I remove people, you see it? I know what members of guys, me maga people. If you don't recognize them every day, but me really maga. You see me people? I tall and maga. Kush tall and have a little bit more body up on me, but me and maga.
Oh, what kind of body?
This no, people don't understand what I say. If you look for Kush guys, Kush, how tall are you again?
Give me.
How tall are you again?
Right now,
how tall are you?
6'1".
You're 6'1", I'm tall and Kush people, so I'm about 6'2". You is no 6'1" and no half, I'm move for yourself. That depends on your profile, but basically I'm tall and you. You don't tell me I have several videos already. Punk. So guys, Kush is 6'1", and me tall and Kush. By about an inch.
At best part about it, girls, I'm like, tall.
So you must know people, you see me? Kush is 6'1". How much one are you?
145.
You can't weigh 145, which last time me I was 145.
Oh, me 150, 5 over.
Last time I guys I was 145.
Yeah, 150.
And I'm about 6'2" tall, guys. So imagine that. The maga, you see me? 2 color there. Mackerel them. I can mackerel them out.
I want the jugs away.
Obviously, mas them Hogfish. Love this them woody. What ass? Mackerel. Pink and blue.
I'm gonna go for one of you to stop. Like there's a fish coming in, you see it?
The might take time coming, then reaching it. I feel like that catch. Ah. That's like a fish pot half out on the foot drop.
That's it.
One fish company foot drop.
One.
Or two, I don't know. Let's see color. One fish there. Feel like a pull. Feel like a pull. So you feel. 3 fish or so. Moonshine over there.
Just pull up your pants and put it there.
And tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. Don't mind me.
And the first part when you got put in that one there.
I remember.
You come and make a school and people say, let him come and have a change. One song.
2 toes later. No, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. Got reason, man.
No. But they don't do it.
Rich already, am my time for rich now. People, with y'all help, I will be there. By God's will. Amen.
They walk.
No. No. We'll depend.
When a fisherman.
We'll depend. Say next part now.
Eh?
Yeah, both say by the hook or by the crook though. Of a Welshman.
Why upon the hook? By the hook or by.
That means I do anything for rich. I'm gonna depend that.
No.
I'm not on that type of meds.
By the, me say, there's no next part what to say.
And guys, believe me, I'm rich. Must be wealthy. You see me? I need wealth. I need assets. Rich already? Rich in life. Me need rich in wealth right now, and guys, with the help of you guys, I will get there eventually. It got hard, but me know that. You see me? Before lunchtime over, Sasha. You see me? Sometime Sasha, Hogfish. Guys, sometimes the teachers them will allow you after the bell ring people and you get a lunch leave. You explain to them say I come from the part line. Someone may have a mercy upon you. Someone have a mercy upon you guys and make you eat the part lunch in the back of the class. You see me people, but some of them you have to wait until for them class over before you can actually eat that food people. Even though you wait in a line so long and hungry, bite it from there. You see me people, because then there's no eating in class. You see me guys, and it was like that. Give me the hunger. It was like the worms was inside your stomach. The tapeworm, no matter what they want to call them, literally have to eat it inside out. Bite it inside out. Guys, me so glad. Nikush? No sir. Each. Guys, the clip everyone's about 10 minutes and me a chat. So we must tire me a chat now, but tapping nice. And show some action again. Pull.
We have space left.
We have space man, just batch help me now. Batch me now. You know, say the terabyte is in question. I'm literally almost fully terabyte. I only have about 10 hours remaining for me. 45. Yep. 45, so I'm gone 35 hours in a video so far. That's about 25 videos. Hour long. Hour odd long, people, isn't it? Approximately. You can eat a bit more, but we're not too stressed on fish there. It's colored. And we can literally feel the net start get a bit lighter. That means I don't know people, isn't it? Can see the pool right over there. Was that nice to fight, Kush? Almost on great. Grateful for that 100% people.
We just found 24.
And the fox when you come now too far, guys, don't catch that amount of fish. Let's show you.
We just from pool to pool now.
And from the other day, my father and Kush talk about say fish come close to land, guys. So I guess this kind of prove it.
No, we're not catching, brother.
Isn't it? That is it, guys.
Signs there,
That is it.
look at the red stuff right now.
So guys, look at the thing in action. No, not it. As you see, this is how we look like people. So we're not throwing out the buckle. We improvise, as I say. Yeah, man, that is it.
Oh, okay.
No, but we try to do like battery. One battery, be careful with video. You can get like 10 minutes of that. You don't want to video fast or you don't want to video reach in the first place. So guys, look at that. It's pretty much. So people see catch it lovely. Fish them nice and thing though. You want to control them on fish.
I shop here for there. Let's check it out. Black here now.
Guys, see them? Lovely. See people. Come on, guys. We have a little few shit. Sure, about. We have about 1 month or 2 months people, isn't it?
Two nights at there. Depends on them come.
So, we only have 26% of battery left, people. Let's make them really very say me chat too much. And yeah. So I'm gonna set the off camera people. I'm just showing you catch with them. So stay tuned, guys. And look out for them there. Alright? Come on, we out. We have 9 hours and 35 minutes left with 26 battery health. Our battery percentage. Push this I drink for. Boom.
Yeah. So we're not sleep tonight.
Isn't it, people? We out here, see me. Yeah. Alright, guys, watch your style. We just done dropping night shooting up people, you see me? I'm just watching off camera. Just done dry it up. Yeah, man. And guys, I'm gonna tell you something. A long time I catch this amount of fish, people, you see me? A long time when I catch this amount of fish. Kush, tell them no? Half 100 people, a long time I catch this. Yo, Kush. Guys, before I show you this one, I don't know exactly, you see me? We're gonna set and soak it for 1 hour, people. But we end up you stay here like a bit longer, no. You see? 9:30 start up. When it's nearly start to go from 9:10. You see me? 10 minutes longer, people. You see me? I'm gonna tell you guys. It never disappoint. Never disappoint, people. You see me? First I get some more fish, guys, for 1 set. I'm gonna say. But anyway, guys. First I catch that much fish for 1 set, people. You see me? Clarifications. Alright, look. See my people? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fish off I want to people, is it? Yeah, man. Camera lens can look a bit blurred right now, but that's how we go, people. We work with it. You see them, people? So much fish off of 1 set in a long time. But anyways, throw them out quick for people and so on. Gone for. Alright, guys, so second set complete off camera. And the second set better than the first set, people. Isn't me? Let me just say one thing. The first set was about 120 feet depth, 120 feet deep. Water, people, isn't me? And the second set look up on about 7 feet deep total. So the difference 7 feet deep water, people disappoint compared to the 120 feet deep. You see me? No joke. Get some lovely fish, people. Only thing just didn't enough, and it's still wholly better than the other set, people. You see me? So now we're gonna throw them out. Rub this. Take out fish. All that. Yes, me, people. So that it goes to show you guys, sometimes the deep water necessarily mean better. Because upon deep water earlier and make it nothing. You come find like a shallow water here, so you can find better food. See that, people? I just say things to them time, the people. This is a fish thing called eagle fish, but we call them blue bone. Nice to fry.
Bigger.
This is what we want, nice 5 pound. You see me, people? Yeah, man, and yeah. Why I'm calling them eagle fish? Because of this.
Where you come from? Eagle Ella.
His nails are really sharp teeth as well. And them can swim really fast. Right. Alright guys, I'm about to come mindset now. We just done beat the water so stick and see people. And see exactly it turn out. Unfortunately, you're not gonna see it on camera, but you're gonna see catch afterwards, people, you see me? So stay tuned guys, prepare yourself. And look out for this part. Yes, boom. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see, but you're not far, and if I look up that direction, the whole place white because of the rain gonna fall. Look at fish there. Two of them, one sash around. Guys, I'm telling you, the fish them now hurt, people. Fish them off feel the weather, guys. Whole heap of weather. Fish them a hide. Normally place here people don't come here so they catch a lot of trouble. We don't see one single trouble now. But they say I go and look for them some people. But not give up yet. Right, Kush?
Real.
Not give up the fight yet. You have all the fight. Fight left. I'm good. One more. You're not hold hard, I know, people. Chilling, people.
Or not enough here, you know.
They won't find enough, right? So, throw him out, Kush. And guys, I'm telling you something. The tax man work this morning. It's like one of the young shark in the top, bite to fish them. Bite to fish them. Did I show you the bite back on him? So next one, guys. I push that show you them. In the top, bite them. You know how much I promoting you guys, but with the motion still with us working it. Lovely catch. What is this then? Lens a bit blurred as well, guys, but yeah, work with it until lock off. Please leave a like, guys, and most people consider subscribing. Have 3% of battery life left. You know, it's not last, but me take the time off to say out. Thanks for watching, guys. Isn't it? Please remember to like, comment, share, and most definitely consider subscribing if you haven't as yet. You can never see screen to a dark. But anyways, people, best for yourself. Thanks for watching and catch you next adventure, alright? Yeah man, Adventurousliving is out.